Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this SKODA Yeti. So from any screen, whatever you're on there, just click the nav. And here we've got new destination at the bottom. Now, I'm pretty sure that usually goes off. So it goes off, but if you put your hand towards it, the menu bar comes up. So new destination. We want city, you've got street, city, country. So city, we want city. And then here, PTCD comes up right in the corner. You've got all that. Why they couldn't just put postcode, I'll never know. But then postcode's easier, so we click that. We want ABC. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and then we need to go to numbers. So we click on the numbers button at the bottom. 5, 4, and back to ABC, J. Where's S gone? S. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4JS. Click on that. Click start, or you could store.
Being calculated.
That's it. That's how you do it.
Please follow that B6230 for 2 miles.
And if we just go, put our hand up, the menu bar comes up at the bottom, and stop route guidance. Once you get close enough to your destination, you can stop it.